In this video, I'm featuring this CVLIFE bubble level that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. So guys, this here is pretty straightforward. It's an aircraft grade aluminum level. It's pretty durable. It's got a nice powder coating on top of it. This one is for the 34mm tube. They made one for a 30mm tube as well. I like this one here because this one here features the hinge design. So basically, you're going to use the provided Allen key, remove this screw over here on this side, and then it's going to hinge for you. So you can put this on your scope without having to wrestle with a second bolt on this side over here. You know, I've got some of those and they're a pain in the butt to put on. This hinge design is a lot better design. As you can see, the liquid inside of the bubble there is really reactive, and that bubble almost covers the line from edge to edge. So that's very nice, especially if you're into like PRS style shooting and you're shooting long range. You don't want to be sitting there trying to finesse and get the bubble right in the middle. This here lines up pretty closely and pretty quickly. Guys, all in all, just a really nice bubble level if you guys are into long range shooting or long range hunting and you're looking for a bubble level for your 30mm or 34mm scope. I highly recommend the CVLIFE. Hope this helps.